Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about linear and circular patterns. First, select the new part, then click on the front plane for sketching. Now, select the rectangle command and draw a rectangle from the origin. Specify its dimensions using Smart Dimension command. After dimensioning, in features, select extrude bars, then specify the dimension and direction of extrusion and also the end conditions. Now, select the face of the part, then give sketch. Again select the rectangle command and draw a rectangle over the face of the part. Specify its dimensions from the edges of the part using Smart Dimension command. After dimensioning and the sketch is fully defined, in features select extrude cut, then specify the dimension of extrusion. Once the cut is made, now select linear pattern, then give the direction of pattern, dimension within these patterns, then the entities to be pattern, then give OK. Now select the linear pattern and give edit features. Below select skip instance and select the entities to be skipped within the part. Now select vary instance, then specify the entities which are to be varied and also specify the dimension in which the entity is to be varied within the pattern. Now the varying is done in horizontal direction. Now again select vary instance. Now change the dimension along vertical axis, then give OK. Now the dimension is varied along both axes. Next, circular pattern. For that, select top plane for sketching. Now, select the circle command and draw a circle from the origin. Specify its dimensions using Smart Dimension command. Now, in features, select extrude bars. Specify the dimension and direction of extrusion. Now, select the face of the part, then again give sketch. Draw a circle over the part using circle command and specify its dimensions using Smart Dimension command. Now in features, select extrude bars, specify the dimension and direction of extrusion. Now under linear pattern, select circular pattern, specify the axis of the pattern which is this part of the circle, then number of entities to be created in the pattern and finally select the entities to be pattern. That's it. Our circular pattern is created.